Hi folks, Teaser Transit Camper, how are you? Thanks for clicking on my channel. Thanks for subscribing if you get time. I've just dropped baby off. Oh, there go the police. Nice. I've just dropped baby off at her works, I should say. And I'm just gonna travel around now. I've got a little location I've got in mind, but I've got a bottle of Jack Daniels on board. I've got some Coke. I've got Cat the dog and some chicken nuggets. So we'll go and find somewhere to sleep for the night. Bit of a stealth camp. Catch you in a bit. Okay guys, so I have arrived. I'm along by the river in Shrewsbury, so gonna camp out here for the night. It's just a bit of a stealth camp. The car park's a lot fuller than I thought it would be, so it's not ideal, it's not brilliant, but I'm comfortable because there's people around me. I will jump out the van in a second, just show you roughly the area, and then we'll get in the back and put something on the iPad and hunker on down. Catch you in a minute. So here we are guys, we're in the car park now. That's just going down onto the river there. There's lots of partying going on over there, I can hear the noise. And then this is the area that I'm in. So it's in Shrewsbury, it's in the car park. And we'll get in the back of the van now and go and see Cat.
Hi guys, this is Jason. Steve has sent me a couple of text messages. He's on a stealth camp and he thinks I'm working. And I think that I've figured out his location from the clues. So what we're going to do now is I've connected the GoPro in my car and we're just going to drive to his location that I believe he's at, and I've got something up my sleeve that we're going to do that's going to make him cack his pants a little bit, I think, hopefully. I hope it works out, and watch the video and subscribe. Cheers. Okay guys, this is where I think he might be now. So as we approach, what I'll do is I'm going to stop filming when I see his van, because obviously he doesn't want his van to be identified on his channel. So I'll stop filming, then I'll refilm when I've got a better location to do the surprise on him. Okay, cheers.
Let's find Cat. Yes. Hey Cat, find somewhere. Go on to bed then. Go and jump in bed. Go on, into bed. Cat, I can't get in, can I? Move up, move up. That's it, we're in for the night. Alright guys, so it would be easier to list what I've forgotten than what I've brought. So I forgot my gimbal, which is annoying, but I did remember me glass, which is Jack Daniels, happy birthday, from my lad, from my youngest, Sam. Thanks mate. I got this from Jace a few weeks ago. I got some chicken nuggets for Cat. And I got just a couple of cans of Coke to go with me Jack. So I'll put that to one side for a minute. So tonight's camp is just about getting out for the night really. Baby's at work, so I can just park out here and then I'll go and pick her up on my way home. She's only like 4 miles away from here. So that's what we're going to do tonight. So stick with me and we'll have a drink and talk rubbish. Just while I think about it, I am going to actually send out a text for Jace. Well, I've actually just done it. So this is the text. Okay, so we'll see how we get on with that clue. Now, I think he's working, but I'm not sure. I'm I'm either way on that. So he hasn't been able to come and find me yet, so I don't expect he'll come tonight either, but sent the text out. Let's see if we get a reply. Okay, so you all read his reply. So we'll pour ourselves a glass of Jack Daniels and Coke, and we'll have a look for something on the iPad. And we'll have a look at Kat as well, and she can eat her chicken nuggets, which some people look forward to. I know Kat does.
Hi guys, so I found him now on the car park. Found his van. You can see that there's a light on. So we're going to approach the van now and see if we can spoil his stealth camp. Really see it. I don't want to give it away too much, but that's him in the middle next to that white car. Don't want to shine the torch directly on the van because you'll know that somebody's outside. So I'm going to turn the torch off and film at the back. Okay, but it's a bit dark, but what we'll do is, I know he's got a window at the back, we'll just have a quick peep over. Just see if he's filming. Yep, there he is. Looks like he's filming something. Excellent.
Right, Kat. So I think we've had a bit of a Billy Bolus here actually, because I switched the fridge on, and I am hoping that I have got some Guinness inside here, and I have. So that. Oh, I think we might have company here. Oh, what do you do? Oh, Kat, hang on. Hello? Hang on. I've got a dog in here, guys, so just mind. Sorry, just mind the dog doesn't come out. Cat, stay there. Hello there. Oh!
Got you. I knew I'd get you, mate. I told you I'd get you.
You absolutely.
Oh, mate, I tell you what. I knew I would get you, sir. Your clues was too easy. Too easy.
I wasn't expecting that. You're supposed to do it in the middle of the night.
Be in bed in the middle of the night.
Cats, the
was you
police.
Filming? Did I catch you filming?
I was filming. I was just saying I've got some Guinness on board. It's a good job you're not the police, because I'm about to open your whiskey.
Look at this, what I had to do, mate. Look at that. How ingenious is that?
What is?
It's just a blue top. I thought I need to make it so it's like, oh, it's like the police.
You put some thought into it, mate. Hey, I want that footage.
No worries, buddy. No worries.
I'll try and knock up a video of this.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's absolutely brilliant, mate. Right. Absolutely brilliant. I need to shake your hand. Come in, have a drink.
Police, open up. Yes, police, open up.
Sorry, the dog doesn't come out. Cat, stay there. Hello there.
Oh! Got you. I knew I'd get you, mate. I told you I'd get you. Mate, I tell you what. I knew I would get you, sir. Your clues was too easy. Too easy.
I wasn't expecting that. You're supposed to do it in the middle of the night.
I'd be in bed in the middle of the night.
Cats,
was you filming? Did I catch you filming?
I was filming. I was just saying I've got some Guinness on board. It's a good job you're not the police. I'm about to open your whiskey.
Look at this, what I had to do, mate. Look at that. How ingenious is that?
What is?
It's just a blue top. I thought I need to make it so it's like, oh, it's like the police.
You put some thought into it, mate. Hey, I want that footage.
No worries, buddy. No worries.
I'll try and knock up a video of this.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, guys, we've definitely had some fun tonight. I can't believe that. He's done me there like a kipper. I am so pleased that I found this Guinness in the van. I always thought that if Jason was going to come and try and catch me, I always thought it was going to be in the middle of the night and that I'd be asleep. I've literally, well, I've been here probably now, I don't know, 40 minutes. It's not even an hour. And he caught me within I don't know, I'd only been here, what, 20 minutes? Oh, I've been so looking forward to that. Right, so he did stay and have a little 10-minute chat with me, but he's got to get back. So he's going to give me that footage, and I'm talking in real terms now, aren't I? But this video will contain his footage as well. So I'm going to, once I've recorded a little bit of footage of my night out tonight, I'm going to put his footage into it and edit it. I don't know what he's got yet. It might not be anything worth keeping, really, to be honest, but we'll see. We'll see. But if it's there, I'll include it. So just going to have a nice drink now and look for something on the iPad. Catch you in a minute. I think the first thing we should do, because Kat's been really nervous about all of this with the van door opening and closing, so she hasn't been comfortable at all. So the first thing we'll do is let's feed Kat. Let's give her chicken nuggets. Here she is, waiting patiently in the dark. Let's get a bit of light on. There she is, with the devil eyes. You stay there, Kat. Yeah, darling. Oh, I'm going to get done for that, aren't I? Don't let Mum see us doing that. She's going to go mad straight away, isn't she? Oh, wish I had another Guinness. There's not enough of them. Never mind. Can't be greedy. Is that a nice cat? She's just got 2 of these. The world record's 11 when I was a bit more childish. There you go, Kat, that's you sorted. The noise you can hear is obviously the heater going. Can't be helped. It is quite cold tonight. Although it does only say 12 degrees, but it feels colder than that. All right, Kat, that's you sorted. Right, let's get comfy. Okay, so this is how me and Kat like to do it. There we go. So I have moved location, I'll be honest. Just in case he comes back in the night and messes me about, I thought no. I have texted him, I said I've gone from there. And he said he wouldn't be coming back, but I didn't want to risk it. He didn't say he was coming out either. So I've moved locations, so I'm about sort of 3 miles away from where baby's working, so I'll get up early in the morning and I'll just go and fetch her. And looking at the time, I can't believe it, it's actually just coming up for 11 o'clock, so time's moving on now. I've had a Guinness, I've had a whiskey, and I'll have another whiskey and Coke, and then I'll probably call it a night then, really. So I've got a podcast that I like to listen to. So I'm just going to have a listen to that, all true crime and stuff like that. So I'll have a listen to that and I'll probably go to sleep. So I don't think I'm going to keep this one going for anything longer than that, really, to be honest. It's a bit of a stealth camp, just in Shrewsbury. If you see me, don't come knocking. And certainly don't put a police light in the back of my van. But that's going to be it from me. So thanks very much, Jason. I really appreciate you doing that, and he's already sent me the footage, so I'm going to go through that and I'll probably edit that for the next half an hour as well, an hour or so. There's probably lots that I need to look at. So you've been watching Steve the Transit Camper. Take care.